Hi, I'm Attorney Ben Schwartz. Today I want to talk about what to expect when you contact a personal injury attorney about a personal injury case. You know, I think that we have folks that contact my office every day. They don't really know what to expect. They don't know if an attorney is going to get right on the phone with them immediately to talk about the case. They don't know if they're going to have to pay for a consultation. So I just want to take a couple minutes and talk about what to expect if you have been injured in an accident and you contact a personal injury law firm such as my own, such as Schwartz & Schwartz, to secure representation. The first thing that I want to tell people is that an attorney is not likely to jump on the phone with you the first time that you contact a personal injury office. You know, there are exceptions to this general rule, but you know, if you contact my office, we have an intake process. And so one of our client services team members is going to get on the phone with you, is going to get the basic information, your name, your address, your phone number, your email address if you have one, basic information about when the accident occurred, how the accident occurred. One of the most important things that our client services person is going to do is they're going to ask you for the name and address of the individual or the company that caused your injury, that caused your accident. And the reason we do that is because we want to run the at-fault person's name through our database and make sure that none of our attorneys are currently representing that individual or that company or that corporation. You know, we've got 7 attorneys and we're handling cases in 4 states, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, and Maryland. And so every once in a while we come up with what's called a conflict of interest, meaning that we realize that the person who caused the accident, the person who we might sue, is actually already represented by one of our attorneys. And when we have a conflict of interest like that, we can't undertake the case. So the client services person will do a conflict of interest check and then have the intake materials, have the intake form reviewed by the intake attorney and approved for consultation. Then our client services person give you a call back and schedule you for a meeting with the first available attorney. Or if you have a specialized type of case, let's say you have a dog bite case. Dog bite cases are typically handled by 1 or 2 of the attorneys in our office, and that attorney is going to have some specialized skills and knowledge with dog bite cases. Or if you have a workers' compensation claim, the workers' compensation cases are typically handled by 1 or 2 attorneys in our office, and so an on-the-job injury claim would be scheduled with them. So basically that's what to expect if you call our office about a personal injury case. You know, like I said, this general rule about an attorney not jumping on the phone immediately, you know, there's exceptions to that, and from law firm to law firm you might find that things are different, especially if you are calling, let's say if you call a law firm where it's just one attorney. If that one attorney's secretary is out and that one attorney you know, happens to answer the phone, you might, bam, have an attorney on the phone with you giving you legal advice right then and there. But if you contact a larger law firm, you should not expect an attorney to get right on the phone with you. You should expect there to be an intake process and someone scheduling you for a face-to-face meeting with an attorney. Another question that people often ask is there a fee for the consultation with an attorney? And we generally do not charge a fee for the initial consultation with an attorney in personal injury cases. Also, in criminal and DUI cases, we've got attorneys that handle criminal matters as well, and they don't charge consultation fees either. So the 2 types of cases that we handle where we offer a free initial consultation are personal injury cases and criminal defense cases. Everything else we charge a consultation fee. So I'll give you an example. If you have a situation where maybe maybe you are working in a company, the company has a contract to purchase $500,000 worth of goods, and your supplier takes the money and doesn't deliver the supplies, and your company wants to sue that vendor, that would be a consultation fee. We would charge a consultation fee for you or your company's representatives to meet with one of our attorneys. Or if you, let's say you find out that you bought a piece of land and the survey was wrong and what you thought you were buying actually belongs to someone else and you want to talk to an attorney about that, that would be the type of case where we charge a consultation fee. It would be a fee of several $100s to meet with an attorney to discuss that case. But like I said, in personal injury cases, car accident cases, on-the-job injury cases, slip and fall cases, dog bite cases, medical malpractice cases, those are cases where we do not charge consultation fees, and also in criminal cases we do not charge consultation fees. So that's a little bit of information on what to expect if you contact my office or personal injury law offices generally to get a consultation with an attorney about a car accident or other type of personal injury case. I hope that you found this information helpful. If you're looking for an attorney for a personal injury case, feel free to send me an email, ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. You can also go on our Facebook page. We're at facebook.com/schwartzandschwartz. You can submit a message there. If you give a message through the Facebook Messenger with your name and your phone number, we can give you a call and we can do the intake process for you and get you pointed in the right direction with one of our attorneys. Thanks for watching. My name's Ben Schwartz, and I hope you found this video helpful and informative.